Get to hurt him just a little bit.
All right, some clouds rolled in. Hurricane Burl is east of us. Most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Look, everything we own is packed in the front of the van. Are these people beside us hooking their truck up? That's hail. I hope it doesn't bring tornadoes with
Is it blowing that hard? I mean, it's shaking up.
Ooh, Brent.
Very.
Yeah.
We're on the way to our first part of our 4th van trip in the Walrus. The Walrus, oh, right there behind us.
Our fourth?
4th van trip.
Oh, a long one.
Yeah.
We've been in that van a whole lot.
Yay! There is a free little library. And Mel loves the free little libraries. We're gonna see if she sees that one when she walks back. Let's see. There she goes. I knew it. I knew she'd see it.
Do you want it? We got a free little library here. Okay, so I just found out something neat. So I was talking to her about the stickers. She said at this one they have Friends of the Park. They're trying to raise money for a playground for the kids.
Oh, good. I told the camera, like, there's a free little library right there. Let's see if Mel notices it.
I gotta go take a picture real quick.
All right, we're at one of those backwards sites, but that's okay. This is a packed park, but it is the weekend after 4th of July. I guess it's technically 4th of July weekend. Of course, by the time this video comes out, it'll probably be winter, knowing how long it takes me to edit things. But this is cool. We're right here by the lake. Pretty cool, Mel. Well, you want to unload some of the crap?
Yeah.
Put up our cart?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
You got 2 bees right there.
I got a huge splinter in my finger.
Get to hurt him just a little bit. Oh, yeah.
I didn't really have time to talk about it. We just met some people who were using the pavilion and they were just locking up. They're like, y'all want to see inside?
Thank you, we appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. We didn't get your name, but happy trails, y'all. This is cool. It's nice right here.
There's spiders.
Oh, spider webs. Look at this little basin thing. What is this? Used to be a water fountain? CCC water fountain. 100 years ago, the CCC put these rocks here, and now we're walking on them. water comes all the way up to here. You can just put your canoe in. Light grates, not used anymore. Lots of boats at this park.
Grasshopper fell in the water and he's gonna drown. I can't reach them.
Maybe they're okay with it. Maybe they get out on their own. But they gotta be, fish have to eat too. All right, some clouds rolled in, but it's still not, it's not raining or nothing, but it's cooled down. We figured it'd be a good time to get in the water. Slippery are these rocks. Not too bad. So Hurricane Hurricane Beryl is to the east of us, and that's must be some band off of it. Pretty good place to swim.
Yeah, well, I feel like the other one, this one has a lot of boats too. We've seen a lot of boaters out today.
Yeah. Look at that tarp going.
It is dark.
Maybe we should get out.
Give it just a few more seconds.
Let's see
Finally
what
get
happens.
to cool down.
If we see lightning, we should probably get out.
Oh yeah.
Look at that coming in now. I was wrong. I thought it went past us, but it didn't.
That's why it's moving this way. Weather app's a liar. Weather app's a liar.
Weather app's a liar. The weather app's a liar. We're gonna have some shirts made.
Look how much
with
the water's picking up. Ooh. Brent's been waiting to get into the water. He's like been waiting for so long, changing the bathing suit.
And now
I'm
this.
sitting there enjoying the fan, and now it's
Oh, it is so dark over there, dude.
yeah.
Look at that tarp is blowing, Dan.
Yeah. Think we should get out?
Just watching that tarp. See how good of a job I did tying it down.
There goes the plastic bag. Hey, you can have your moment.
You want to see the most beautiful thing I've ever filmed?
The most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Little fish. Dang, man. Carrying our chairs back. This has been filming the whole time. Y'all, we just had a mad rush getting everything in here because it's coming. It's coming right now. And I hope it doesn't bring tornadoes with it. Look, everything we own is packed in the front of this van. No. It is coming down out there, dude. It came out of nowhere.
That's a liar.
That's hail.
Yeah.
Well, this is an exciting way to start our trip.
Is it blowing that hard? I mean, it's shaking us.
I don't think so. It's just coming from that way and the thing's over here.
Okay.
Check it.
See if they can see it outside the that bush. Oh, all the ooh.
What?
You should see out here on the water. Just on the water.
Oh.
It's really dark. Ooh.
Not the sea water.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that rain is just flying off the top of that RV over there. You can't even see where we were just swimming. It's just that rain is just coming down in sheets.
And
Ooh, Brent.
scary.
Yeah. Gosh, that is flowing.
Maybe you should put some pants on in case something happens.
Where are we running to?
That bathroom over there. Golly. It's wild, dude. Well, we've been here before, haven't we, people? Because this time we're in the van and not in the tent. Are these people beside us hooking their truck up? Or they're just sitting in their truck?
At 7:06, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Lake Brownwood State Park, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-sized hail.
Okay. Okay, y'all. Check it out. We have the crock pot going in the back of the van during a thunderstorm. There's some meatballs. Storm raging out there. We're gonna be all right. You having fun? That was dishes falling. This is how we started our big trip, so be sure to subscribe so you can see how the rest of this trip goes, because we got a lot of parks we're about to hit.
Now we got clothes on.
Kinda, mostly. It's coming down.
Cross our fingers it stays that way.
Yeah, we'll see, huh? Well, okay. Water in there will dry out just from the heat. Everything seems okay. It's lightning. I'm going back in here. It is flooded out here. I think we might get a nice looking sunset though. Wow, look at that. Coverings, it looks like we're in a toaster oven.
I would say maybe also an alien ship, but it's like a low budget deal.
Morning, boys and girls. We are headed on Texas Oak Trail. It's a couple of overlooks on this trail.
Get our morning hike in.
5 minutes later.
We've been on the trail all of 5 minutes.
Should put it over there where the view is better.
So here, I'll show you the view. There you go. It's beautiful. It does kind of remind me of Possum Kingdom a little bit.
That's exactly what I thought too, because it's higher up.
Yeah.
Okay, so takeaways on Lake Brownwood State Park. It gives us a little bit of Possum Kingdom vibes-ish.
Possum Kingdom Jr. We had a bit of an adventure here. We have a bunch of parks we're hitting on this little run, so be sure to subscribe.
You can see how bad we look at the very end.
Until next time, happy trails, y'all.